The purpose for today is twofold. One, to increase awareness within the IT business community on the upcoming contracting opportunities that we have within the technology department at LAWA, with the goal to increase the number of responses that we get as a part of our procurement processes, and also to ultimately get technology products and services from a larger business community. In addition to that, we're also taking this opportunity within LAWA to gain awareness of what those technology products and services are from you in the industry to help us achieve our goals, as Justin and Deborah have spoken on before now. Just to give you a little insight on IMTG, Information Management and Technology Group within LAWA, we currently have approximately 170 full-time staff who's responsible for maintaining our infrastructure and systems, in addition to IT project development. In addition to the full-time staff, we have about 70 active IT contracts that's valued at about $140 million. These contracts are not enough for what we need to do moving forward, as you just heard Justin allude to. We have several upcoming contracting opportunities within the next 12 months that range from expanding our video surveillance capabilities and coverage to replacing our police dispatch system and our access control system, to maintaining various existing systems at the airport, to procuring certain equipment, and to acquiring various IT project management and technical consultant services that are necessary for overseeing the development of all of this new technology. In addition to the contracting opportunities, the new contracting opportunities from RFPs and bids that will come out, there are also many subcontracting opportunities to work with us prior to those RFPs becoming available in the area of procuring equipment from CCTV cameras, IoT sensors, PCs, monitors, wired and wireless network gear, storage and server technology, cable and conduit, to the purchase of software. That can range from Microsoft and Oracle products to ERP, document management, facilities management, the internet, intranet, and extranet tools, as well as the further development of our GIS capabilities. And under our existing contracts, we are frequently looking to bring on additional consulting services needed to help us maintain our existing systems as we are continuing to design, develop, and implement this new technology and moving into how we innovate and disrupt our environment here at the airport. It is our plan to refresh and improve pretty much every aspect of security technology at the airport. You've heard from Deborah on the importance of ensuring the safety and security of our passengers. So we will be looking to make improvements in video surveillance, access control, perimeter security, and credentials or identity management. In addition to the new technology and passenger-focused systems and applications that are needed to improve our guest experience. We are really looking forward to working with the consultants and contractors here in the audience today to help us implement that new leading edge, not bleeding edge, leading edge digital technology in a nimble and flexible manner, which is maybe somewhat contrary to what you think about when you're working with a government, but that is necessary moving forward. to enable and accelerate airport mobility and enable that seamless passenger journey, pushing that information out to the passenger so that their experience is better from the time they leave home all the way to the gate, giving them those options of parking and food and retail, all that extra stuff that Deborah talked about, in addition to basically just getting to the gate and through the checkpoint. We are looking, as Justin said, to build, to join, and to leverage alliances, probably with many of you here today, and platforms to transform our airport through innovative thinking, process, and technology. So we are really looking forward to networking with you in the 2 hours after the formal presentations and really getting to learn a little bit more about the products and services that you all have to offer. I want to share that information technology is within the operations group within the airport, headed up by our Chief Operating Officer, Samson Mengistu. And in addition to being responsible for running system operations, we also contribute, obviously, to new technology development as a part of our multi-billion-dollar capital improvement program, and continuously working on improving the guest experience throughout our construction efforts. Within IT, we have 5 major functional areas where contracting occurs. In our IT infrastructure group, that's headed up by Nathan Look. In our airport technology and business systems group, that's headed up by Melody Johnson. IT strategic planning that Mary Albers oversees. Anson Fong is our Chief Information Security Officer, responsible for data security and cybersecurity. And I already mentioned that Sonia Mattingly is responsible for IT administration. Prior to having Melody and Tim Liu come up and speak about upcoming contracting opportunities and some of the challenges that we face with infrastructure and our systems development, I'm going to ask that we focus a little bit on that guest experience initiative that's been mentioned several times this morning. And there's no one better to talk about that topic than LAWA's Chief Experience Officer, Barbara Yamamoto. So if you can please join me in welcoming her to talk about our guest experience initiative.